Hello class, good afternoon. So, how are you? Yes, you're fine and teacher is fine too. So, for now, before we start, classes, can we lead the prayer? So, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. So, before you take your seats, kindly pick up the pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. And okay, you may now take your seats. So, before class, so I have an activity. I prepare an activity for you to be answered. So the activity is I have here a picture. So in this picture, the question is here and here. So I have shown you first the picture. So first is parallel line. Yes. And the second one is the perpendicular line. Next is the dot. Next is the line segment. Next is the intersecting line. So again, intersecting line, line segment, dot, perpendicular line, and the last one is the parallel line. Okay. So I have here a question, and you're going to answer this one based on the picture I show you. So first question is, it is best you may write the letter only. So first question is, it is best represented by dot. It has no length, width, and height. So A dot, B line segment, letter C, letter D line. So number 2, it is a part of line segment which can be extended in one direction only. So letter A, point, letter B line segment, letter C, line, letter D, dot. Number 3, a part of line that has length and 2 endpoints. Letter A, ray, letter B, segment, letter C line segment, letter D line. So, and 4 and 5. So, the question you will answer letter only, and the answer based on the picture I show you. So, I'll give you 5 minutes, 2 minutes to you to answer. Okay. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, what can you say about the picture? So, boto mo, sumana mo. Ang aking sunod ipakita mga bata is ang picture. Yes, this picture is about a woman, a people who wearing tinala. So this one. So this is the picture, okay? Okay, you may see. Okay, this is a tinala picture. Yes, this one. Okay, so based on this picture, what can you say about this picture? Huh? What can you say about this picture? Okay, you see a design of their t-shirt, like there's an angle, there's a shape. Yes, there's a shape on there's a diamond on the t-shirts or the cloth of the tinala. So, which figure is easiest to make? So, asa man inyong nakita mga bata ang pinakasayundra? So, naidaya mo din na, no? Naidaya mo, na-square. So, makita ninyo diri. So, next for that is, unsa may kalahian sa ilang gipang sulod. So, very good. Sa lahi-lahi ang design nga ilang gisulod or ang ilang design sa ilang mga sininga. So, and what are the shapes that can be seen in this picture, in this cloth? Oh, okay, you see a shape of There's a diamond, a square, what other? Okay, there's a lot of shapes that can you see about on the tinalak cloth. Okay. So next for that is I have an activity to you to be answered. So first is um, you should do the I have a pictures here. Yes, I have a this is the game which is the name of Gives me and use me in tangrams. So I have here an example. I have here an example of tangrams. So this one is are the tangrams. Nakabantay mo kung sa iyong mga shape. This is a tangram. So I have here the questions, that activity. The activity I will go with you. So first question then. This is the activity. Guess me and use me in tangrams. So this is the example of tangrams. Okay. Nakita? Yes, nakita ninyo. So the question is, what gets wet when drying? It's naman mga bata. Huh? Okay, very good. So this one is a towel. Yes. So this is a towel. So I prepare. Nagbuhat na lang po akong yansiran. Then I use the triangle shape. The triangle shape. Okay, this one. And number 3, what has 13 hearts but no other organs? Okay, that's a card. Sorry. Card. So for that class, so what can you say about our activity? Yes, it's nice. Kaya nag-guess ninyo ang mga words. Nag-guess ninyo ang mga words, then yung inyong i-answer is use in tangrams. Ang pag-answer ninyo, kung ano sa tangrams. Okay? Next for that is our topic for today is all about polygon. Okay, Kapasyo. Kapasyo, what is polygon? What? Okay, Kapasyo, a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments, not curves in two-dimensional planes. A polygon is the combination of two words. Poly means many. Gon and means slides. So kung sampayin sila class, mauna ang many sides. So that was we call polygon. So these are the examples of polygon. So, di ba, triangle, nakita, triangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, octagon, and pentagon. So there are a lot of examples of polygon, nonagon, like that. And triangle, square, rectangle. So that's the example of polygon. So these are the examples. So you draw the picture ang inyong mga examples sa polygon. So there are 2 types of polygon. Okay, baconador. Can you please read? Okay, these are the types of polygon. So regular polygon and irregular polygon. Okay, the one part. Oh, regular polygon, can you please read regular polygon? Okay. All the sides and the interior angles of the polygons are equal. For example, for that, the examples of regular polygon, which is the square. So, simple lang siya, like, parehas siya of sides. So, ang irregular polygon is all the sides and the interior angles of the polygon are of different measures. So, lagi ang measures siya. So, ang example for that is a kite, because ang kite is dili siya, like ang kite is more triangle, diamond siya of forma. Di ba? Ang kite diamond of forma, but lahi siya sa square, lahi siya sa regular polygon, because the regular polygon is kanang same lang siya ang isig ka side, then ang regular polygon is pareha siya, but that's kanang dili siya straight, like na siya ibang ana-ana. Okay? So next for that is I have here questions that you will going to answer. So for that is I have here a pictures and you will guess what's the name of this picture. So kini ang picture na akong example is the examples of the polygons. Dito ninyo makuha ang inyong answer and these are the kaning papilian nga ang inyong kuhaon ang kanang answer. Then you will put the answers under the picture. So first, okay, triangle. So asa ibutang ang triangle? Okay, ang triangle atong ibutang diri sa triangle sad na shape. So next is the pentagon. Ang pentagon is kanang 5 ang sides. So these are the examples of this is the example of the polygon also. So this is the pentagon. Okay, last one is the square. Okay, ang square, so it's kanang known, it is a known shape. Ang known shape, ang square, so ang triangle, ang rectangle, so ang mula ninyo na ibaw ang class is mao ang mga nigon, which is the hexagon, pentagon, octagon, nonagon, like that. And for that, so I will we move to the evaluation, and this is we call you will go to answer. This is called the identification. So I have a questions, and you will going to answer it, and I will give you an answer sheet. You're going to answer. Okay, this one. Okay, so these are my questions for you to answer. Okay, number one. Gina has the nala that is surrounded by a diamond-shaped design. How many shapes are there in diamond? Okay, number two. Tinala is supposed to shape that are regular and irregular polygon. The triangle shape in the tinala is an example of. Okay, so number three. Tinala block is composed of shape, color, and lines. What are the characteristics of a polygon in Tinala example of? Number four. Tinala traditional cloth woven is made of geometric patterns that represent the people's honest intentions. So what do you call a close-laying figure that has two dimensions object? Okay, so that I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, are you done? So the answer number one. Okay. Montana. Okay. Gina has the tinala cloth that is surrounded by a diamond shape design. How many shapes are there in diamond? Pila man. Pila kabuok shapes ang naa sa diamond. Okay, 4. So like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So pass your paper, class, and I will check that. Okay, nakauyon ba sa dipabuhan ng teacher? Okay, for that is I will give you an assignment. So the assignment is you make perfect polygons based on the tinala features between polygon diagonal. Okay, class. Nasabtan na ba ang dipabuhan ng teacher? So ang atong topic di ay is all about the polygon. So ang polygon ko no kay mao ang kanang closed figure made up of segments. So ang polygon, there are two words. Poly means many, and gon means side. So I give you an example of polygon, triangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, octagon, and pentagon. And the polygons there are two types. Okay, regular and irregular polygon. So the regular polygon is all the sides and interior angles, and the polygons are equal. So the example for that is the square. Okay, the next is the irregular polygon. So all the sides and interior angles of polygons are of different measures. So but dili siya parehas. Sa example ana ang gagawin teacher is ang